Hello viewer, I'm glad you are here. This is MTech Tutorial Hub. My name is Mike Tibello. Alright, in today's lecture I'm going to teach you how you can compute a program to find out the simple interest and amount in QbASIC. Here we go. We know as the formula of simple interest is I is equal PRT over 100, where I is interest, P is principal, and R is rate, then our T is time. Simple interest is equal PRT over 100. Okay, hope you have gotten that. Okay, start by remarking for the comment, you caption it rem program to compute simple interest and amount. Okay, we need to clear screen so it will clear the subsequent result when the program has been executed. Okay, our first input the principal, principal, enter the principal, then you close the quote. Then this is the variable name, just P. To do the same for rate input, enter the rate, semicolon, then your R. Do the same thing for time, T. Time. Okay, so we are through with the input. Then we can now actually compute the PRT over 100. We can now say let I, our I is equal P times R times T. Sorry, P times T, sorry, whichever one, times T times R. Okay, either P RT over 100 or P times T, I think this is something. Okay, over 100. Okay, can now say letter A, which is for the amount, it's equal principal plus interest. Okay, P plus I. Okay, that's for the amount. Now remaining our outputs now. Okay, can now print the simple interest is equal to, you close your quote, then a semicolon, then your I, which is this. We are calling this here. Okay, then the next one we are going to call A. Okay, this very one. Print the amount equal to, close the inverted comma, then semicolon, then call the amount, which is A, capital A. Okay, it's represented by a capital A here, so here must be represented with a capital A. Then you can now end the program. Okay, I think we are through. You can now execute or run your program by pressing F5 on your keyboard, or by clicking on the run here and then start. Okay, enter the principal. It's asking you. Okay, the principal, assuming is 50,000. Okay, then enter rate. Say rate is 5,000. Then time 5. Okay, what is the interest? Okay, look at the interest. The simple interest is 1.25. okay, exponent plus this. Okay, then the amount is 1 point. Okay, so that is it. To go back, you need to press any key. So if this has helped, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel at MTech Tutorial Hub. Okay, see you next time. Love you.